We are inside our houses more than ever now. And while we have to be grateful for being safe and secure, the feeling of being stuck, not just inside the house, but in our goals, in our ambition to achieve success, or general in our overall life, can be quite frequent. And it is okay. But once this happens, how can you come out of it instantly and not go down the rabbit hole of feeling depressed and anxious? We'll find that out today. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini. I welcome you all today to my channel. Some of the days you guys are really motivated, you want to achieve those ambitions and crush those goals, and you have all the energy in the world to do that. But then a couple of days pass by and the shine kind of fades away towards the goal, and then you feel like you are stuck without any progress, or you are just bored of doing the same daily grind again and again. Does this pattern sound familiar to you? At least it is familiar to me, because every single time I start something new, I have a lot of energy, and then over a period of time, the energy kind of gets depleted, and then I have this feeling of being stuck. And then when it started happening over and over again and again, I noticed a pattern and decided to do something about it. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. The technique that I use, I have just named it as a AAA technique, which means acknowledge, arrange, and act. I will explain you one by one. The first step is acknowledge. This has two parts. Part one is to acknowledge that you are in that situation of being in a rut or feeling stuck. So once you become aware that you are in this situation, it becomes more easier to act. And then at this point of time, you still do not have that motivation to go ahead and do something about it, because in generally when you are feeling stuck, there's just no motivation to do anything. So in order to get myself motivated, I would do a part 2 of this acknowledgement, which is very easy, and it will actually excite me to get started on the work. That is, take a simple pen and paper, or if you like to do it digitally, maybe on your laptop or on your phone, and start listing down all the accomplishments that you have done for a period of whatever time that has passed since the last time you felt stuck. Now I know many people will be like, I did not do anything, or I just have a Kora Kagaz in my diary with my accomplishments. Okay, I'm just going haywire. What I want to try to tell you is, even those small accomplishments you note down. Let me give you examples. If before this situation you used to go out, eat out a lot, but now that you are at home, you are cooking more meals than ever before, that means that's an accomplishment on your end. Or for that matter, if anybody else is cooking for you, you are still eating more at home than you used to do before, and that is why that is a better step towards a healthy life. Or if you never read anything before this situation, and now that you are stuck at home and you have no other option, so you have started reading a couple of books, maybe fiction, maybe non-fiction, doesn't matter. You still have put that energy, and even if it is a 5 pages since the time this situation has happened, it is still a better progress than no pages at all or no reading at all. Or if you said that, oh, I'm just so busy in all the household work and all the office work, and I have a toddler to take care of, then guess what? Earlier you used to just go to your office and you had all the house help. But now you're doing your office work, you're doing your house help, and if you have a toddler, you're also taking care of that. That is a big accomplishment in itself. Although tiring, just think of it as a human being, how much have you expanded your capacity? I'll just give you my list. So when I started making this list, I had a goal of creating this YouTube channel. And then one and a half month later, when I started feeling stuck and I started writing down my accomplishment, you know what was one of the accomplishments? I recorded a video. Yeah, that's right. It took me 1.5 months just to record one video, not even editing, not even uploading, not even creating a channel or anything. But however small, it was a step towards me creating a YouTube channel of my own, right? As I said, no matter how small the accomplishment, it is enough to trigger your brain into thinking that you have achieved something and that you have the capacity to achieve more. The second A in this technique is to arrange. Arrange your accomplishments. The reason why I tell you to do this is because when you look at your list of accomplishments, there might be certain things that you are really proud of that you achieved these, but there might be certain things that you were okay, these are an accomplishments, but I do not build up to form a major goal out of these, right? Let me explain. For me, the first accomplishment was recording a YouTube video. I certainly wanted to build up on that by editing a video and then uploading a video and then publishing a channel and all those things. But then there was second accomplishment where I wrote that I was happily doing the household chores, which earlier was not possible for me. I used to always dread doing those. But now I'm doing this. But it is not something that I want to build up going forward as a major goal, right? So when you arrange these priorities, when you arrange these accomplishments, you can see which areas are the most that you have developed and you are actually interested in. So from the feeling of being stuck, you then move on to a feeling of being interested. So the second step is arrange your priorities of your accomplishments. The third A in this technique is to act. Now that you have a list of accomplishments and you have arranged them in an order that you actually are interested, all you have to do is write down 1 or 2 steps that you will be taking in order to improve on those activities. For example, when I had recorded a YouTube video, the next plan for me was not some big hyphen to launch this banner posting and all those things. The next step simple I had written was to edit the video and to upload the video. That's it. Then there was also a second goal of me trying to read more books. So I had read already 4 books. So I just wrote read 2 more books, nothing more than that. That way, from the feeling of being stuck, I am now not going into a feeling of being overwhelmed by these huge goals, but I have only 1 or 2 steps that I need to do in order to get myself back on the track and not feel stuck again. You have already been very busy with all the amount of work you're doing for your office, your home, taking care of kids. Try to find out a half an hour window which I can schedule in this busy schedule so I get some time to do some peaceful reflection of the day or whatever it is that you want to do. From this feeling, you are actually creating a position or a space for yourself which is in the future, which is desirable, but then you are doing it right now. So getting into that is very easy. From this feeling of being stuck to a feeling of being which is desirable, which is something that you want to do and for which you are actually motivated. And also one thing you will notice here is it's very funny. Every time I used to do it, I found that earlier whatever goals I had written, like for example to edit a YouTube video, once that video was edited, I started getting this feeling of being stuck. For you, it might be the same situation. Have this notebook very handy and every time you feel stuck, just go and reflect back. I'm sure whatever goals you had set up, you have already done those goals and that is the reason you are actually feeling stuck and feeling like being in a rut. Now you can obviously relax a little bit, take a little bit break and then sit with a fresh mind to do this technique, because sometimes it's a small break that is actually needed. But instead of taking a break and then just forgetting about your goals, you can use this technique to get back onto them as quickly as possible. Along with these, I have created some other videos which will help you to start the morning very successfully and also end the night very peacefully. I will leave them down, the links for them I'll keep them down here. And if this video helps you to come out of a rut or come out of a feeling of being stuck, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and show some love towards this video. It really means a lot for us. And I will see you in the next video. You take care till then. Bye-bye.